The accounts teaching, journal entries. Today we are going to discuss about the journal entries. If you like this video, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it. If you have any doubt, give me a call at my mobile 614-35-205-206 and my mail ID is kumar.ramesh5759@yahoo.com. Other is kumar645@yahoo.com. Now the first is we have started business with cash. Cash account debit 20,000, bank account debit 20,000, machinery account debit 40,000. We will give credit to the capital account with 80,000. So we will write narration, started business with cash 20,000, bank 20,000 and machinery 40,000. The next is we have bought goods for 46,000. Out of that 6,000 for cash and for 40,000 from John on credit. We will write goods account debit 46,000, to cash 6,000, to purchase to John 40,000. In narration we will write purchases goods. Then the next is we have sold the goods. For 30,000 we have sold for cash. 20,000 we have sold on credit to Lisa. The total sales are 50,000. So we will write cash account debit 30,000, Lisa account debit 20,000, to sales account 50,000. Then we have paid wages 5,000, salaries 9,000, rent 2,000, total payment through bank is 16,000. We will write account wages account debit 5,000, salaries account debit 9,000, rent account debit 2,000, to bank account 16,000. In narration we will write paid wages, salaries, rent through bank. Then the next is we have wages outstanding 5,000, salaries outstanding 2,000, total outstanding expenses are 7,000. So we will write wages account debit 5,000, salaries account debit 2,000, to outstanding expenses 7,000. The next is bad debts 9,000. So we will, since with bad debts debtors decrease, we will give debit to the bad debts account debit and give credit to the debtors. Narration would be bad debts. Then the last one is we have charged depreciation on machinery 10,000. Depreciation is the wear and tear of fixed assets. The value of our machinery has decreased by 10,000. So we will write depreciation account debit 10,000, to machinery account 10,000. Since the value of machinery has decreased by 10,000, therefore we will give credit to the machinery. Because the value of if any asset increase, we will give debit. When the value of any fixed asset or any asset decrease, we will give it credit.